Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your DNS on your Xbox Series X to the best one that you can get. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to where it says Settings. And then go to General and go to Network Settings. Then go to where it says Advanced Settings right here and select this. Now under here, we're going to have the option for DNS settings. Let's go to this. And then go on down to where it says Manual. Now type in 8.8.8.8 and use the R1 button, and we can rotate through all these different boxes. So delete everything and just leave the 8. And then you don't have to type in the point, those are already selected. So just type in 8 in each of these boxes, and then we can go over to the right arrow, or we can press the button with the 3 lines on our controller. And it'll bring you to the next page where we can type in the secondary IPv4 DNS. And this one's going to be 8.8.4.4. Then we can go to the next page, and this will be the final selection that we need. So we can just go back to this page, go back to the main settings menu, and we should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.